Retail Business Services welcomes you to the American Eating Culture Class 101 with the topic Peanut Butter and Jelly Sandwich. Did you know that Americans eat 3 pounds of peanut butter per year? And only Canada and the Netherlands consume more peanut butter than the USA? And did you know that the average American child will eat 1,500 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches before he or she graduates high school? Interesting. Today's class, we will learn how to prepare a yummy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. At the end of this class, you will recognize the ingredients to prepare a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You will demonstrate how to fix a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You will be able to describe the nutritional value of that yummy sandwich. And you will identify the retail store to get what you need. Here's what you need. 2 slices of white or wheat bread, a jar of creamy or crunchy peanut butter, a jar of grape jelly, 1 paper plate, and 2 spreading knives. Here's where you can get all of your ingredients. Go run and get them and come back so we fix the sandwich. The 5 steps to follow to enjoy a yummy and nutritious peanut butter and jelly sandwich are: first, have all your ingredients ready on top of a flat surface, like the kitchen table. Then, place both bread slices on the paper plate. Next, generously spread 1 slice of bread with peanut butter with one of the spreading knives. Then, generously spread the other slice of bread with grape jelly. Use the second spreading knife. And finally, slam them together. Put the sticky sides together and enjoy. I have some recommendations for you. Have enough napkins handy. Enjoy your peanut butter and jelly sandwich with a glass of milk. Eventually, switch the grape jelly for strawberry jelly. Eat a fruit of your liking to make a whole meal. Now, let's talk about the nutritional value. The average peanut butter and jelly sandwich made with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 slices of white sandwich bread, and 2 tablespoons of grape jelly will provide you with around 18 grams of fat, 12 grams of fiber, 500 milligrams of sodium, and over 400 calories. Send us a video of your process while fixing your yummy peanut butter and jelly sandwich to the email that you see on the screen, and you will receive a discount coupon for your next purchase.
Now that I know how, I'll go fix my sandwich. See you in the next episode of the American Eating Culture.
Thank you for participating, Giant.
You're welcome.